But
Absolutely. Reincarnation is different. Rebirth will all have. Reincarnation is supposed to be for those people who are able to come back out of their choice. We come back not out of our choice, but due to afflicted emotions and contaminated actions, karma. But rebirth will be there.
so that is why most of the people who don't understand, who have not attained that level of information about this whole universe or whole life thing, we don't remember any of it because our consciousness is not that strong.
It's not clear. It is obscured by negative emotions. Like the simple explanation is, not only this concept of reincarnation or rebirth is taught in Buddhism, but now it is scientifically found. There were people, researchers and scholars, who interviewed many young people. First in Sri Lanka, then India. The Pilu Moody, there's a person called Pilu Moody. He's written books. Similarly, Gilbert Rose, she has written books, a lot of books. Now there is actually a scientific group. There may be many, but I know one in New York. I once invited one of the members to give a talk in Dharamsala also. So they have published several books